Good morning students. Today the topic of discussion is the composite function. Okay, composite function. Composite function means a function of function. A function of function. Suppose that we are having two functions f and g. Then the function of function means f of g or g of f is called the composite function. It is denoted in short by fog or gov or fog or gov. Okay, means a function f is defined from set A to set B and another function g is defined from set B to set C. Set B to set C means then its composite function is denoted as f of g. F of g means the domain of this f of g is the domain of g. Domain of g means B, and codomain of this is the codomain of f, that is B. So fog will define from B to B, and gov, the domain of gov is the domain of f, that is A, and codomain of gov is the codomain of g, that is C. So gov will define from A to C and fog will define from set B to B. Okay. So function of function is called the composite function. Function of function is denoted by fog or gov. It may be fog or it may be gov also. FOF and GOG. Okay. So composite of function means the function of function. Okay. Now suppose that we are given two functions, function x, that is x square, and gx equals to sine of x, and we want to find the composite of the function. So fog of x equals to function of gx. Function of gx, here gx will treat as the element for f. Gx will treat as the element of f. So function of gx means sin x. Now sin x is the element for f. Sin x is the element for f, and the image of x under f is x square. So image of sin x under x square is sin of x square, means sin square x. Okay. So fog of x is equals to sin square x. And if we want to find gov of x, so gov of x equals to g of function x, and this is equals to g of function x is x square. Now we will find the image of x square under g, and image of x under g is sin x, so gx square equals to sin x square. So gov of x equals to sin x square and fog of x equal to sin square x implies that fog of x is not equals to gov of x. Fog of x is not equal to gov of x. Okay. Fog of x is not equal to gov of x. Okay. So composite function of two function is not commutative, means composition of two function does not follow the property of commutativity. Okay. Now we will know what is the criteria or what is the condition that the composite or composition of two function is possible or composition of two function exist. Okay. So what is the criteria? Criteria for this is fog of x does exist if range of g is subset of the range of g is the subset of the domain of fx. Domain of f Okay, when range of G is the subset of domain of F, then fog of X does exist. Okay, so we can decide by using this criteria that either the composition of two function does exist or not. Now we are taking the example related to the composition of the function. Example number 15. Example number 15. Example number 15 is F is example number 15. F is from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 4, 5, 9. 3, 4, 5, 9. And G is from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15 such that function 2 is equals to 3. Such that function 2 is equals to 3. Function 2 is equals to 3. Function 3 equals to 4. Function 4 equals to function 5 equals to 5. G of 3 is equals to G of 4 equals to 7, and lastly G5 equals to G9 equals to 11. This is all given. Okay. It is given that F is defined from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 5, 9. And G is defined from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15, and the values, these values are also given. Function 2 is 3, function 3 is 4, function 4 is 5, function 5 is 5, G3, G4 is 7, and G5, G9 is 11. Find GOF. Find GOF. We have to find the GOF. We have to find the GOF in roster form. Okay. So GOF is defined from the domain of F. From domain of F means 2, 3, 4, 5 to range of G. Range of G means 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15. GOF is defined from the domain of F to range of G. Domain of F to range of G, or what we can say that the domain of GOF is the domain of F and range of GOF is the range of G. Range of GOF is the range of G. Okay, so domain of GOF is 2, 3, 4, 5 and range of GOF is 7, 11, 15. Now we want to find GOF in roster form. GOF in roster form. So we will find the value of 2, 3, 4, 5 under GOF. We will find the value of 2, 3, 4, 5 under GOF. So GOF of 2 is equals to G of function 2. G of function 2 and function 2 is equals to 3. So G of 3 and G of 3 is equals to 7. So this is equals to 7. So GOF of 2 equal to 7. Again GOF of 3 equal to G. GOF of 3 equals to G of function 3. G of function 3 and function 3 is equals to 4. So G of 4 and G of 4 is equals to 7. So this is equals to 7. Now GOF of 4 equals to GOF of function 4 and function 4 is 5. So GOF of 5 and GOF of 5 is equals to 11. So this is equals to 11. Now GOF of 5 is equals to GOF of function 5 or GOF of function 5. Function 5 means 5. So GOF of 5 G5 is equals to 11. So this is equals to 11. So GOF of 2 equal to 7, GOF of 3 equal to 7, GOF of 4 equal to 11 and GOF of 5 equal to 11 implies that GOF is equals to 7, 7, 11, 11. So 7, 11. 7, 11. Okay. So golf equal to 7 and 11. Golf equal to 7 and 11. Okay. So now the next question, next example number 16, we have already solved. Example number 17, taking the example number 17 related to the composition of the functions. Compositions of the functions. Example number 17. Show that function f such that r minus 7 upon 5 to r minus 3 upon 5 is defined by function x is equals to 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. Function x is equals to. Now g is defined from r minus 3 upon 5 to r minus 7 upon 5. R minus 7 upon 5. G is defined from this by gx is equals to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Okay. Therefore, fog equal to I and golf equals to identity function. Then fog equal to identity function and golf equals to identity function are called identity function on sides A and B. Okay. Now we have to show that golf is identity function and fog is also equals to identity function. Both are equals to identity functions. Okay. So we have to find golf and fog. So first of all we will find golf. Golf of x. So golf of x equals to g of function x. Golf of x equals to g of function x means g of function x is 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. G of 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. Here this will treat as the element for g and we will find the image of this rational function under g. And image of x under g is this. So this will equals to 7 into x. X means 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7 plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. 5 into x. X that is 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7 minus 3. Okay. Now we have to solve this and finding the value of. Okay. So solving, taking the LCM. LCM as 5x minus 7. 5x minus 7. So 7 into 3x plus 4 into 5x minus 7 divided by taking the LCM in denominator 5x minus 7. 5 into 3x plus 4 minus 3 into 5x minus 7. So this will cancel this. Now this is equals to 7 into 3x plus 4. 21x plus 28 plus 20x minus 28 upon 15x plus 20 minus 15x plus 21. 15x we cancel 15x, 28 we cancel 28. So 41 upon 41, 41x upon 41, 41 we cancel 40. So this is equals to x. Equals to x. Okay. 41x upon 41. So this will equals to x. Now we have shown that golf of x is equals to x. So golf of x equals to identity of x, means GOF is equals to identity. GOF is equals to identity function. Okay, so we have shown that if function x is this, gx is this, then GOF of x is equals to identity function. Now the second part of this question is to show that fog of x is also equals to identity function. Fog of x is also equals to identity function. So now we will find the fog of x. Now we will find the fog of x. Fog of x equals to function of gx. Function of gx equals to, gx is 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Function of gx, so this is equals to 3 into 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3 plus 4 upon 5 into x, that is gx. 5x, x is this 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so minus 7. Now we have to solve this. We have to solve this, and this should also be equals to x. This is equals to 3 into 7x plus 4 plus 4 into 5x minus 3 divided by LCM 5x minus 3 whole divided by 5x minus 3 is the LCM, and 5 into 7x plus 4 minus 7 into 5x minus 3. So this is equals to, LCM will cancel LCM, 21x plus 12 plus 20x minus 12 upon 35x plus 20 minus 35x plus 21. So 35x will cancel 35x, 12 cancel 12, 41x upon 41 is equals to x. Okay, so fog of x is also equals to x. Fog of x is also equals to x. Ix, or what we can say, fog is equals to identity. Fog is equals to identity. Okay, GOF is also equals to identity, fog is also equals to identity. Okay, so this was the example number 17 of your exercise related to composition of the functions. Okay. Now if f and g are,